Alright, you guys. So it is that time of the month again. Not that time of the month. The time where I'm bored of my hair and I'm gonna cut it. So as you guys know, I cut off my hair a couple of months ago. I'm not really sure when, but I've always had really long hair, like down to my butt, and I cut it because I was bored of it, and also it was so damaged, like it was horrible. I'm so happy with how healthy my hair is right now, but I've gotten to the point where I've realized that what you said about it not being short is kind of true, because it's not long but it's not short either. So I really just want to try and cut it off just above my shoulders. So that is what we're gonna do today, and we'll see what happens. Okay. So this is before I've just straightened my hair, and I'm going to part my hair like this. I think I'm just gonna clip it like that, kind of. Such a hairdresser, oh my god. And I'm gonna do the same on the other side. Gonna clip this as well. And I'm going to take my hair and I'm gonna take the hair in the back, just brush it. And then I'm going to take a hair tie, just like this, and I'm going to see, where do I want it? I guess I want it like so, like that. And again, I know you guys will laugh at me, but you guys didn't see my last video where I cut my hair. Like, I'm not a hairdresser in any way, and I don't really care about it being perfect because I just think it's fun. And if I wanted it to be perfect, I would go to a hairdresser, obviously. But once again, you guys will laugh at me because this is my sister. I don't have another one, and I want to cut my hair right now. And also, it worked. Like, it's super sharp, so I guess it's like good for your hair, I think. I don't know. Okay, so should we just start cutting? I'm not like that nervous anymore. I was more nervous the last time. Okay, so I think I will just cut it here. Okay. Oh wait, should you cut above or? Oh, that's true. I should take this down a little. And I should cut right above, right? That's what I should do. Okay. How do I do this? How nervous are you guys right now? Because I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, let's just do it right there. Right? Ooh. Damn! Oh, I can already see it being so short. This is my hair. Oh my god. Oh my god, I've never had this short hair. Oh my god, this is crazy. What? So I have a mirror right here, and then I have a mirror in my hand. Damn, this looks very straight. Ooh. And it's a good length as well. Okay, nice. I will let that be right now. And I will start with this side. How long do you think it will take for me to like cut bangs or something? A week? We should have like a bet. How many months until I cut bangs? Oh my god, it's so nice to touch. And I did just get my roots done by myself, obviously. Nobody touches my hair but me. Oh my god. The question is this too long or is this a nice length? No, this is a nice length, right? Does it look good? Okay, I was just looking and I saw that it's like a little bit longer on this side. So let's see if I can make that work. Alright, so this is the finished result. I have obviously not like styled it or anything like that, so now it's just super straight and freshly cut. But I think it's so cute. Oh, I think this is cute when people have their it behind their ears. Oh. Ooh, I'm so excited to like rough it up a little bit and look like a little I don't know. Like a troll. Perfect. Now I look like a troll. Cute. You guys seem to be very supportive of me trying new things because it's just hair. And I know it's not perfect, but I don't know. It works for me. So yeah, this was it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did and like this length of hair on me, please give it a thumbs up. And also subscribe to my channel. Duh. I really hope you guys have an amazing day and I hope we'll see each other in my next video.